Yay! First trip of the year!
First trip of the year!
Here we go! Why are we at Target?
I forgot my swimsuit.
I forgot Braylon's swimsuit.
So I have a time to come home.
So we're gonna go try some on and buy one. Okay, success. We found a bathing suit. First trip of the year. We are down here in Virginia. It is super windy, like holy crap. But we are at Busch Gardens Williamsburg. Wow. Oh my gosh. And apparently there's a tornado coming through. I don't know. It's a little windy today. Obviously, we have been to Busch Gardens Williamsburg many, many times. But what makes today extra fun and exciting is that Derrick's cousin, David, is with us for the day. We haven't seen him in about 7 years. He's in the military and he's actually stationed just like an hour away right now. So he was able to get the day off and he's spending the day with us. So he'll be in and out of the video all day today. I'm wondering if a bunch of these rides aren't open yet because it's so windy. We're gonna walk over and check out, see if Pantheon's open, but I haven't even seen it test yet, so I don't think Pantheon's open either. It's a little windy out this morning. The wind is supposed to die down by around lunchtime, so we might just go do some flat rides until then. Hey, we found a coaster that's open. So, Verbolton it is. Wow! It's so windy. So I have apparently become the Busch Gardens tour guide because I have just given multiple groups of people directions how to get around the park. Everyone comes down this hill and then realizes that they can't go down the steps to go down below like Loch Ness, and then they're just lost. They don't know where to go. So I just spent like the last 5 minutes giving different sets of people directions. Like, oh no, you gotta swing that way and go through the town, and then you'll kind of come around Alpengeist and go over the bridge. But you have to go that way. So, you're welcome, Busch Gardens. If David falls and breaks an ankle, it is not my fault. Not my responsibility. My children love this dragon play area. The only problem is it's so big. It's very easy to lose small children. So, Leander is in here somewhere. And I don't know where he is. There's too many different options. Look at you. You made it.
We are currently down due to the high wind. We got no wind.
Right, Griffin? The top of the fountain back there is missing. I don't know if they just haven't put it on for the season or they're replacing her. So the wind has stopped momentarily. So we're gonna go get on Apollo and then see if any of the other coasters have opened back up. Crossing our fingers for Pantheon. I really want to get on Pantheon today. This is what happens when you don't go to bed till after 10 o'clock at night. I saw those eyes pop open. Are you sleeping? Oh wait, you're not sleeping. my gosh. Derrick and Braylon and David were on this very last train of Apollo. And we were gonna parent swap, but they just shut the whole ride down due to the wind. Shocker. So they just kicked everyone off of the train that's sitting in the station that's just about to be dispatched. And they're gonna pull the train in that's sitting on the brakes, which has my people on it. And they just sneaked on one of the very few rides that have gone today. Oh my gosh, but I didn't get to ride. Oh my gosh. How was it?
It was pumping.
Are you serious?
Look at the fish. Look how big it is.
So sad. We're missing the grand opening of Loch Ness by just a couple of days. That's a lot of pollen. Wow, you're so close. Is he a good driver? We're always very inspired after watching the Celtic Fire Show.
Your first time? Your guys' first time? Are you guys ready? Are you sure? You said that with like a lot of hesitation. No? Are you sure? Are you ready? Are you don't know. Are you anxious? Don't worry about it, you'll be alright. You got this. Did you ride a polished area today? You'll be alright. This is a piece of cake. And it's a nice view. You get to see the water up there, it's really cool.
Third time's the charm with Griffin today. It's back up and running. So Derrick and David just went on, so I'm gonna go parent swap. This will be my very first coaster for 2024.
All clear means you're out of here and the floors are dropping and you're not stopping. Enjoy your dive from 205. Let me get on screen!
Are you tall enough?
Yeah.
Are you sure? You hit?
Ow. That was our first time riding it.
What'd you think?
It was fun.
You liked it?
Now since I ride that one, I can definitely ride Stingray.
Who's driving this car? Are you gonna be a good driver?
I got practice every single car.
So I got the kids these collapsible water bottles for this year. We used to bring just like hard plastic water bottles, but these ones are collapsible. So they're super easy to travel with. And they have the clip on the top. So we've just been clipping them to the back of the stroller. So these have been a huge win so far. I'm very excited about these. Do you like your water bottle? Yeah, they're pretty cool. Sadly, Pantheon has never opened today. As you can tell, still very windy. The wind was supposed to die down as the day went on, but it definitely has not. It is still very, very windy. So Pantheon has never opened, which is a bummer because that's the one coaster that I actually really wanted to ride today. Little chilly, eh?
Are you cold now from the ice cream?
Alright, after the ride being down for wind, I finally made it on Apollo. An employee just walked up to me and said, "You're a mom, right?" And I was like, yes. And she was like, "Here, this is for you. Thanks for doing a good job." And she handed me cards to get a free meal, including an entree, a side dish, a dessert, and a drink, and $10 in Busch Bucks, which gets you like merchandise or whatever. Okay. That was so random. But I'll take it. And I'm gonna go get myself something from the best house. Because that's what I want. Finally fell asleep. We're going to get our free rubber duck. This is Busch Gardens Kids Weekends, I think is what they're calling it for the month of April. And so this weekend they're giving away rubber ducks. So we're gonna go get our rubber ducks. Here we are. Aww, he's a cute ducky. And that would be a wrap on our day here at Busch Gardens. We did a ton of stuff. Pretty much everything that we could do that was open, obviously like the Skyride and Pantheon, never opened because of the wind. Oh well, it's just how it goes. We always loved being at Busch Gardens, so it was a great, fun, beautiful day. Till next time. Raylan can officially ride everything in this park. Where are you at, Leander? I don't think he doesn't quite reach 46 yet.
You're 45.
You are so close. Somebody needs to tell the marketing team that they used the wrong track for Loftus. That's not accurate. Okay.